Have you ever dreamed of owning a business that brings happiness to people every single day? Imagine customers walking into your shop, attracted by the aroma of freshly prepared sweets, colorful displays of delicious treats, and beautifully packaged gift boxes. Whether it's a birthday celebration, wedding, festival, religious ceremony, or simply a family gathering, sweets are a part of almost every special occasion. That's exactly why the sweet shop business has remained one of the most profitable and evergreen businesses for decades. In India and many countries around the world, sweets are more than food. They represent celebration, tradition, love, and happiness. From Diwali and Eid to Christmas and New Year, the demand for sweets never truly disappears. But here's the big question. How do you actually open a successful sweet shop? How much investment is required? What licenses do you need? How do you choose the perfect location? What equipment should you buy? And most importantly, how much profit can you earn? In today's complete guide, we'll cover everything you need to know about starting a sweet shop business in 2026. Whether you're a beginner entrepreneur, a food lover, or someone looking for a profitable business opportunity, this video will give you a complete roadmap. So grab a notebook, stay until the end, and let's begin. Why the sweet shop business is still profitable in 2026. Many businesses come and go. Trends change. Technology evolves. Consumer habits shift. But one thing remains constant. People love sweets. Think about it. Whenever someone gets a promotion, buys a house, gets married, celebrates a birthday, welcomes a baby, or achieves success, sweets are usually involved. The emotional connection people have with sweets creates a powerful and stable market. Unlike luxury products that depend heavily on economic conditions, sweets remain affordable and accessible to a large customer base. Another reason for the industry's growth is product innovation. Today's consumers are buying premium sweets, sugar-free sweets, organic sweets, fusion desserts, luxury, gift boxes, customized sweets, corporate gifting packages. This means entrepreneurs have more opportunities than ever before. The sweet business is no longer limited to traditional laddus and barfis. Modern sweet shops are becoming premium brands. Understanding the sweet shop business model. Before investing money, it's important to understand how sweet shops make money. Most successful sweet shops generate revenue from multiple sources. These include Asia traditional sweets, dry fruit sweets, Bengali sweets, festival gift boxes, namkeen and snacks, bakery products, tea and coffee, cold beverages, ice cream, wedding orders, corporate gifting, online delivery, catering services. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine a customer enters your shop to buy sweets worth 500 rupees. While waiting, they notice fresh samosas, kachores, snacks, and beverages. Instead of spending only 500 rupees, they end up spending 900 rupees. This is known as increasing the average order value. The more complementary products you offer, the higher your revenue potential. That's why many successful sweet shops combine sweets and snacks under one roof. Market research before starting. One of the biggest mistakes entrepreneurs make is opening a business without studying the market. Market research can save you from costly mistakes. Start by visiting local sweet shops. Observe everything. Look at the crowd. Notice customer behavior. Study pricing. Check product variety. Evaluate packaging quality. Observe cleanliness standards. Pay attention to customer reviews online. Your goal is to identify opportunities. For example, maybe every sweet shop in your area sells traditional sweets, but none focus on premium gift packaging. Maybe customers complain about hygiene. Maybe no one offers sugar-free options. These gaps can become your competitive advantage. The more you understand your market, the better your chances of success. Choosing your business model. There are several ways to enter the sweet business. Small neighborhood sweet shop ideal for beginners. Requires lower investment. Serves local customers. Easier to manage. Premium sweet boutique focuses on high-end products. Luxury packaging. Premium pricing. Higher profit margins. Manufacturing unit produces sweets for wholesale distribution. Supplies retailers and supermarkets. Requires larger investment. Franchise business operate under an established brand. Provides support and recognition. Requires franchise fees. Online sweet brand focuses on delivery and e-commerce. Lower storefront costs. Growing rapidly in urban markets, choose the model that matches your budget, skills, and long term goals. How much investment is required? Investment depends on several factors. These include location, store size, interior design, equipment, staffing, product range, marketing budget. Small sweet shop investment can range between 3 lakh to 10 lakh rupees. Medium sweet shop investment may range between 10 lakh to 25 lakh rupees. Premium sweet shop investment can exceed 25 lakh to 50 lakh rupees or more. Remember, a larger investment doesn't guarantee success. Many successful businesses started small and expanded gradually. Finding the perfect location. Location can make or break your business. Even the best sweets won't sell if customers can't easily find you. Look for locations with high foot traffic. Busy markets, residential communities, commercial zones, shopping areas, temple surroundings, school and college neighborhoods, office districts. Visibility is extremely important. People should notice your shop immediately. Parking availability is another major factor. Customers prefer convenience. A location with good visibility and parking can dramatically increase daily sales. Designing your sweet shop. Your store should create a strong first impression. Customers often make purchasing decisions based on what they see. Use bright lighting. Maintain excellent cleanliness. Install attractive display counters. Keep products neatly organized. Use modern branding. Display premium products at eye level. Create a welcoming atmosphere. Think of your sweet shop as a showroom. Every detail should encourage customers to buy. Licenses required to open a sweet shop. Food businesses require legal approvals. Operating without proper licenses can lead to penalties. The most important requirement is food safety compliance. You'll generally need FSSAI registration or license, GST registration where applicable, shop and establishment registration, trade license, fire safety approvals for larger establishments, health department approvals if required locally. Always verify current regulations in your city or state because requirements may change over time. Equipment required. Your equipment directly impacts production quality and efficiency. Essential equipment includes commercial gas stoves, milk boilers, large kadais, mixers, refrigerators, deep freezers, display counters, storage racks, weighing scales, water purification systems, packaging equipment. As your business grows, you can invest in automation to increase production and reduce labor cost. Sourcing quality ingredients. The quality of your sweets depends entirely on your ingredients. Never compromise on quality. Important ingredients include milk, ghee, sugar, dry fruits, flour, chocolate, flavorings, packaging materials. Build strong relationships with reliable suppliers. Always have backup suppliers. Supply disruptions can affect business operations, especially during festivals. Hiring the right staff. Your employees play a huge role in customer satisfaction. Key positions include master sweet maker, assistant cooks, sales staff, cashier, cleaner, delivery personnel. Look for people who are experienced, reliable, clean and hygienic, customer-friendly, willing to learn. Invest in staff training. A skilled team improves product consistency and customer experience. Building a product menu. A successful sweet shop offers variety. Popular products include Kaju Katli, Gulab Jamun, Rasgulla, Peda, Barfi, Laddu, milk sweets, dry fruit sweets, chocolate sweets, fusion desserts. Health-conscious products are also growing rapidly. Consider adding nuts, sugar-free sweets, organic sweets, protein-rich sweets, low-calorie desserts. A diverse menu attracts a broader customer base. The importance of hygiene. Food businesses survive on trust. Customers expect high cleanliness standards. Maintain spotless production areas. Use clean uniforms. Follow food safety procedures. Store ingredients properly. Monitor temperatures. Maintain pest control. Customers notice cleanliness immediately. A clean shop builds confidence and encourages repeat visits. Pricing strategy. Pricing is one of the most important business decisions. Avoid setting prices too low. Many beginners believe low prices attract customers. However, extremely low pricing often reduces profitability. Instead, focus on delivering value. Customers are willing to pay more for better quality, premium ingredients, beautiful packaging, excellent service, a memorable experience. Calculate all costs carefully before setting prices. Packaging that increases sales. Packaging has become a powerful marketing tool. Premium packaging creates a premium perception. Use attractive boxes. Include branding. Add thank you cards. Create festival-themed designs. Develop gift hampers. Beautiful packaging not only protects products, but also encourages gifting and repeat purchases. Marketing your sweet shop. Even the best products won't sell if nobody knows about them. Marketing is essential. Create a strong online presence. Use social media platforms. Post high-quality product photos. Share behind-the-scenes videos. Highlight customer reviews. Promote seasonal offers. Create festive campaigns. Encourage user-generated content. Build relationships with local influencers. Marketing should be continuous, not occasional. Google Business Profile. One of the most powerful free marketing tools is your business profile on Google. Upload photos regularly. Update business hours. Collect customer reviews. Respond to feedback professionally. Positive reviews increase trust and visibility. Many customers search online before visiting a sweet shop. Online delivery and e-commerce. Consumer behavior is changing. Many customers prefer ordering online. Offer delivery services. Partner with food delivery platforms. Create your own website. Accept digital payments. Provide online ordering options. Online sales can significantly increase revenue without expanding physical space. Festival sales strategy. Festivals are the golden season for sweet shops. Demand can increase dramatically. Prepare months in advance. Stock raw materials. Launch special gift boxes. Create festive packaging. Offer corporate gifting solutions. Promote early bird discounts. Many sweet shops generate a large percentage of annual profits during festival seasons. Corporate gifting opportunities. Corporate clients can become major revenue sources. Target banks, offices, real estate companies, educational institutions, manufacturing firms. Offer customized packaging. Include company branding. Provide bulk discounts. Corporate orders often generate substantial revenue in a short period. Wedding business opportunities. Weddings create huge demand for sweets. Offer wedding gift boxes, dessert counters, customized sweets, premium packaging, return gifts. One wedding order can equal weeks of normal retail sales. Develop strong relationships with wedding planners and event organizers. Common mistakes to avoid. Many sweet shops fail because of avoidable mistakes. Common errors include poor location selection, low-quality ingredients, weak branding, inconsistent product quality, poor customer service, overproduction, ignoring marketing, lack of financial planning. Learning from others' mistakes can save significant time and money. How much profit can a sweet shop earn? Profit depends on several factors. Location, product mix, customer volume, operational efficiency, marketing effectiveness. A small sweet shop generating daily sales of 15,000 rupees could achieve monthly sales of approximately 4.5 lakh rupees. Depending on expenses and margins, monthly profits may range from 50,000 to over 1 lakh rupees. Larger establishments can earn significantly more. Profitability increases as brand reputation grows. Scaling your business. Once your first outlet becomes successful, growth opportunities expand. You can open additional branches, start franchising, launch manufacturing facilities, develop online sales channels, expand internationally, create premium product lines, build a recognizable brand. Many famous sweet brands started as small family-owned shops. Future trends in the sweet industry. The industry continues evolving. Growing trends include sugar-free products, organic ingredients, healthy desserts, luxury gifting, online ordering, premium packaging, personalized sweets, fusion desserts. Businesses that adapt to changing consumer preferences often achieve faster growth. Final thoughts. Opening a sweet shop is more than just starting a business. It's about creating moments of happiness. Every sweet you sell becomes part of someone's celebration. Success in this industry comes from a combination of quality, consistency, customer service, innovation, and smart business management. Start with a clear plan. Choose the right location. Focus on hygiene. Use quality ingredients. Build a strong brand. Market effectively. And most importantly, always prioritize customer satisfaction. If you remain committed to excellence, your sweet shop can grow from a small local business into a respected and profitable brand. The opportunity is real, the demand is strong, and 2026 could be the perfect time to start your sweet shop journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BNR Universe for more business ideas, startup guides, entrepreneurship tips, and profitable business opportunities. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your dream business.